Do you spend a lot of time worrying, overthinking and being anxious? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the soft skills expert, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very simple exercise which will help you to clear your mental clutter, your mental kachra, you can say. First, I want you to go and grab a piece of paper and a pen and come back. Go, I'm waiting. This is what I want you to do. Make a list of all the things that you worry about, all the things that you are anxious about, all the things that irritate you, all the things that anger you, all the things that keep you awake at 2 or 3 a.m. Make a list of all those things. Come on, go ahead and do it. Done? I'm sure you would be having a long list of things that are bothering you. Yes? Good. We'll work on that. Now, if you go through this list, you will find that there are some items which are in your control and there are some items which are beyond your control. So go through the list, and the ones which are in your control, put a tick next to them. And the one which is not in your control, beyond your control, put a cross there. Go ahead and do that. Now what you do is you take all the ones which are in your control, you have put a tick there, write it down separately, then prioritize them and then take the necessary action you can. Now you may ask, Raji, what do I do with the one which have the crosses? Very good. You can do two things. Number one, you can just let them go. Don't break your head over things that you have no control over, right? You have no control. You cannot do anything about it. So why spend time unnecessarily being anxious and worrying and fretting about it? Just let it go. And the second thing you could do is you could say a small prayer. You could say, oh God, I can't handle these things. Please take them away from me and give me peace and give me happiness. So the ones you can't handle, please pass it on to God. You are a human, there is a limit to what you can handle, and the problem which you cannot handle, you pass it away to God. So I hope you liked the idea. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting videos like this. So I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, bye-bye.